How to turn failures into success stories. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today we're going to be talking about how we turn our failures down at the allotment into success stories. And we certainly have lots of failures. I'm always failing down at the allotment, and failing at things, you learn from it and you improve from your failures. And some of the failures that I have down here at the allotment has to be watering. Now, I love planting, I love growing, but I just hate watering. And obviously, without watering, you won't get great produce down at the allotment. You won't get great crops. And if it's like it is at the moment, we've not had rain for 21 days down here where I am. So everything is pretty dry. So if I didn't water, everything would certainly die off down here at the allotment. So you learn from not watering because you are busy looking after things, keeping it alive and keeping it growing. So I've learned from not watering because things just die off, and you need to keep things watered on a regular basis. Even if it's every couple of days, the soil where I am keeps pretty damp and keeps pretty moist underneath. It's usually dry on top, but when you dig down, it's pretty damp. So I only water every couple of days down here now at the moment, and we get great produce from it. Another failure has to be is not putting seed labels in my plants. I've done this many a times, for I'll know what it is when it's growing, and then when it's growing, you totally forget what it is. Certain plants, you can tell what they are, like sweet corn or peas or beetroot or even carrots. You can always tell what they are, but certain things you can't tell what they are until they've actually grown. A bit like squash, courgettes, pumpkins, they all look the same. Same goes for brassicas like cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, they all look alike. So you don't know what they are until they actually grow. So I've definitely learned from not labelling up, because you need to know what you're planting and need to know how much space you need to leave between them all. So make sure you get some labels and make sure you write everything down. But there's so many failures. Like some years vegetables will do really well, they'll grow really well and you'll have a fantastic crop. You'll do the same process the year after and there's a total failure. And sometimes you can't explain it. Sometimes it's down to the weather. Last year it was an awful summer. It was cold, it was raining all the time, and things didn't grow well whatsoever. And some years, like this year, it's been boiling. So each year is a different year. So never get disheartened with failures down at the allotment, or it will put you off. Gardening is about having fun, and if you get produce, yes, bonus, fantastic, you've got a great crop and you can eat the produce what you have grown. But if you get failures, you just try again the year after. Start from scratch every year and enjoy it and reap the rewards from it. So there's plenty of failures out there, and I have failures with spacing, or I plant loads of seeds and then I don't end up watering them and they all die off. Or another failure that I have is I plant too many seeds. I get a seed packet, I sprinkle all the seeds out, I don't save any of them. I sprinkle them all out because they're that cheap, some seeds. I think it's pointless just wrapping them back up until the year after. So I end up planting all the seeds and I have too many plants. But the success from that is I give loads of plants away as well. So I give them to other people down here at the allotment and they can enjoy the rewards of what I've started for them, and they can see the success in them. So from failures, you can have success stories as well from them. And every day is a success being down at the allotment, because going to the allotment is good for the mental health, it's good for being down here, it's good for relaxing, it's good for everything really, it's good for exercise. So every day is a success if you've managed to get to your allotment and garden. And like I said, if you get vegetables or fruit from it, that is a bonus. And some things grow really, really well and they don't need no help whatsoever, like rhubarb does really well, lettuce seems to do really well, runner beans, peas. There's so many great vegetables out there that you can have great success from with little effort put into looking after them and keeping them alive. So we'll talk about that in another episode, what the best things are to grow to get great success from. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone. Until next time, we'll see you all soon.